Chapter 7, the nervous system. In these notes, we will cover the support cells. So last set of notes, we talked about the neuron and how it's a nerve cell. Well, we also have supporting nerve cells called neuroglia. These supporting cells provide a supportive scaffolding for neurons. So their job is just to support and provide structure for the neurons. They also segregate and insulate neurons. They also guide young neurons to their proper connections. So they do this as a child is developing, and they do promote health and growth. So there are 6 different types of support cells in your body. The first type is called an astrocyte. The second is microglia. Then we have epithelial cells. Then we have oligodendrocytes. We have Schwann cells, and then satellite cells. So let's talk about astrocytes. They are called astrocytes because they kind of look like a star, and there's an abundant amount of astrocytes within the body. Their function is to brace neurons. So they provide support. They also form barriers between capillaries and neurons, and they help control the chemical environment of the brain. Remember this, because when I talk about the brain and the blood-brain barrier, astrocytes are extremely important. Microglia are spider-like phagocytes, so they're immune cells for your nervous system, and their function is to dispose of any extra debris. Your epithelial cells line cavities of the brain and spinal cord, and their function is to produce and circulate cerebrospinal fluid. The oligodendrocytes are branch cells that wrap the central nervous system's nerve fibers. Then we have our Schwann cells, also called neuromyelinocytes. They surround fibers of the peripheral nervous system, so you won't find Schwann cells on your central nervous system. Then we have satellite cells. Their job is to surround neuron cell bodies with ganglia. So supporting cells of the central nervous system are known as neuroglia or nerve glue and can function in support, insulation, and protection of neurons. Each different type of neuroglia has special functions, and make sure you know these functions. Also make sure you're able to identify each type of neuroglia.